my name is Dren, and today I'll be showing you how to make a do-it-yourself heart model. So what are you waiting for? Let's go! So the things that you'll be needing are 3 empty water bottles, 2 bottle caps, red food coloring to imitate the color of the blood, some clear tubing, or bendy straws. But since we do not have bendy straws, we will be using clear tubing. And 3 cups of water and duct tape or a heavy duty tape. So the first thing that you'll need to do is drill holes in the bottle caps. So 1 hole in the first bottle cap and 2 holes in the second. Since I'm still a kid and I'm not allowed to use the drill without supervision, I let my dad help me. So the next thing we'll need to do is add red food coloring to the water so that it will eliminate to put the first 2 bottles 80% full with the red line. So after filling both of the bottles 80% full with red water, leave the third one empty. And the next step, we will put the bottle caps on the bottles. So the middle bottle will have 2 holes, and this bottle will have only 1. After that, we will be putting the tubings. So first, we will put the clear tubings in the bottle with only one. So stick it down until it will reach halfway to the bottom of the bottle. And then, after you do that, you'll connect it to the bottle cap. So next, we will be putting the second tubing in the second hole of the bottle. So then, we will use the heavy duty tape or duct tape and airtight seal the middle bottle. And if you have Play-Doh or clay or anything like that, you can use it to airtight seal. So now that we have built our DIY heart model, I will show you how it works. So the first bottle will represent the atrium, the middle bottle will represent the ventricle, and the last one will represent the body. So the heart has 4 chambers. The upper ones are known as the atrium, and the lower ones are known as the ventricle. And the valves are used to control the flow of the blood. So I will act as the valve. So if I pinch the clear tubing, and I pump the bottle, all the blood will go to the body. So as you can see, the blood travels from the chambers to the body, just like how it would do in our real hearts. What did you think about this picture? So I hope you enjoyed building this DIY heart model